if xy satisfies the system of equations above, what is the value of y? This is a system of linear equations. There are a plethora of ways for solving this. I will show you the elimination method, and I will also show you how to solve the same question using Desmos. First, the elimination method. So in elimination method, your goal is to just isolate a variable. That means you want either the x's or the y's to cancel. In this case, by adding downward, you will see negative x plus x is a canceling. Y plus 3y is 4y. Negative 3.5 plus 9.5 is 6. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And y ends up being 3 over 2, or if you will, as a decimal, y equals 1.5. Either of those is acceptable. So now let me show you how to answer this question using Desmos. Simply type in both of your equation into Desmos and find where the two lines are intersecting. And that's right here. We were looking for the y value of the intersection. You can see that it's 1.5.